Alright, so they're replacing this high pressure fuel pump right here. It went out. High side fuel rail pressure is low. It's not even in the thousands anymore. There is the old fuel pump, 170,000 miles on it. It's pretty easy to replace. You don't have to take off the intake. It'll be a little bit easier, but you can get to it without it. First thing you need to do is remove this charge pipe. We just yank this thing out. Cut the charge pipe with the throttle body, which goes right here. And then I move this box right here, just slides right out. And then all you gotta do is disconnect the connector that goes right here. Then we're gonna disconnect this top line, then the feed line down here, and then we can start getting to these Allen bolts. You're gonna need a really long Allen key to go here, and it should just come right up. Get yourself a 17 and just loosen it up. Careful, it might squirt quite a bit. This bolt that goes here, it's pretty easy. You can get it with like any Allen. And then the bottom one right here, I was able to get it with this 5mm Allen key. Pretty easy to get to. Now the only one you'll need like a special tool for is the far back one right there. You can see I put this super long Allen socket. It's all the way back here, but it's able to reach the bolt that goes in the back. You kind of need that or else you're never going to reach it. And yeah, just loosen it up, and I loosened up this top fuel line, this bottom one as well. Alright, so we basically took it out. You can see here it is. Pump is out now. Very easy to take out. Here is that bolt in the back. That's kind of hard to get to, but not impossible. Pump is out. Just have the bolt right here. You can see there's only 3 bolts. Boom. This fuel line right here is loose, so you can push it back, give you space. This one up here, I didn't even loosen it up. I think I might have to, just to put the new one in, but we'll see. But there's the old one, there's the new one. So just reverse and put it in. Just make sure to line up this notch right here, this like keyway. Put it in the correct position, you should be good to go. Alright, so the new one is in right there. Line right there is tight, line up there is tight, connector is on. All we gotta put back on is the throttle body and the charge pipe, and you're pretty much good to go.